Up first this evening, stop all face-to-face teaching immediately. That call from the Jamaica Teachers Association amidst record numbers of COVID positive cases in the last 3 days. The JTA says the situation at this time merits the drastic call. Giovanni Dennis has more.
We are calling for the immediate halt of all face-to-face engagements in teaching and learning.
That call from the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Jasford Gabriel, because of the record spike in positive COVID-19 cases in the last 3 days.
Unless we have abandoned the risk-ranking approach, then it ought to dictate that schools be closed in this kind of context, because one of the critical aspects of the risk-ranking approach is to look at the spread of the virus in communities. And obviously what we are seeing now is unprecedented, and we have refrained from opening schools in anything near this kind of atmosphere in the past.
Mr. Gabriel says the JTA understands the challenges that online classes continue to pose, but he insists it's the safer choice to return all students back to that platform for now.
Schools are clusters and have the propensity to have a multiplier effect as far as the spread of the virus is concerned. I've seen firsthand some of our school-age students all over the country involved in some of these illegal parties and sessions, and we all know of the kind of indiscipline in the transportation sector with many of our students, and the lack of capacity of the providers in some instances to enforce the protocols. And so our teachers and other members of the public are being exposed by students who many times are asymptomatic.
Now, the JTA is calling for the immediate stop of all face-to-face classes, especially because it is not yet clear how widespread the new COVID-19 strain may be in Jamaica.
And to complicate this, we are not sure if the new strain of the virus is also present. And so I think it's very, very important that we move with alacrity to ensure that we deal with the matter of safety and security first, as we seek to make sure that health remains paramount.
Jamaica recorded 328 new positive COVID-19 cases on Friday, a record daily tally. This broke the previous record of 263 that was recorded a day earlier on Thursday. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.